How you doing, folks? James Power here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. And today I have this mint condition BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. Now this is the 2016 model, which comes in a carbon black metallic finish with the BMW angel eyes up front, the iconic BMW kidney grille, the M Sport front bumper, the front parking sensors. You come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the M Sport badging on the side and alloys. You have the rear privacy glass with the black trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top, the rear M Sport spoiler, the 520D badging, the rear LED taillights, the twin exhausts, the rear parking sensors, and an automatic trunk with a simple flick of the key fob, she'll pop open. Let's close that down and take a look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the BMW multifunctional M Sport steering wheel with the paddle shift, the BMW teleservice on board, the 360 degree parking sensors, the heated seats, automatic transmission. This car is fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and an eco pro mode. Also on board is the BMW iDrive system, air conditioning. The interior comes in an oyster white Dakota leather with a dark oak wood trim finish. Fully electric windows, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, keyless push button start ignition, the BMW SOS service system, Bluetooth connectivity, and many other extras. Now folks, that's just a quick look around this 161 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. As always, all our cars come with a 24 month warranty, unlimited mileage, NCT guarantee, and many other extras. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.